What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, I wanted to show you guys a stroller that pretty much saved me from having to get rid of my car.
Definitely already have the car on because need the AC on for baby girl. Now, this has always been the toughest part for me. There you go. That goes back. This goes right here. And then this is the cool, weird part. I believe it's right here. There you go. There you go. Such a tight squeeze because I am missing the extra two doors. Huh?
I'm like, that was not pretty.
That was not pretty. What wasn't pretty?
Me getting it.
Oh. Having a coupe, it's a challenge, but I mean, wife is back there, baby girl's right there, and having the coupe, it is definitely doable, but having a sedan would have definitely been easier trying to get her in and out, only because getting the stroller into the car, you have to, I mean, you saw how I did it. You have to angle it. I'm going to be scuffing the back seat and whatnot, and it is what it is. Still definitely cheaper than getting a Type R. I guess the one thing that I can say that is really good about this is that my wife and daughter get the AC really fast in the back because it's such a small car. Compared to like the RDX, I feel like you have to drive down the street and then you get the AC. And that's at full blast. Right now, I have it on like level 3 or 4. And it's okay. It's nothing crazy. And you have a fan in the RDX, yeah, so. We're gonna go ahead and do some errands in the car so you guys can see how living with a coupe and a baby is. So this is the one thing I don't like about having a coupe. Did you guys notice how far I had to open the door? Yeah, I could probably do it like right there, but when I have her in the car with me, we have to park far away so that there's absolutely nobody coming up next to us.
Now, keep in mind, guys, just because we have the stroller and the little bag that it came with, doesn't mean we're gonna do all the shopping with this. We're still gonna get a shopping cart. The only time I use the bag that's in the stroller or the bottom part of the big stroller we have is probably because I'm literally getting 1 or 2 items at most.
Did you find your toy on the side? Yeah. Were you looking for it? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness.
This always happens. People always park next to me. I'm sure if I can get 2 clicks open on the door, I'll be fine. But that's really annoying. That's why I parked far away. So like something real quick, guys. Imagine if I had a normal size stroller. We weren't gonna be able to fit any of this. This is just because I always have this in here, but that's her bag. This is our groceries. We have maybe 2 more items right there. It's still better than having a full-size stroller in my car, at least. It's funny because off camera, guys, I put her in there really fast and snug.
That's what
But on camera, I couldn't do it without it like giving a struggle. I think it's just because this is what, like the first time we used the stroller in how long? 2 weeks?
Yeah.
And I remember the first time we were using it, I couldn't figure out how to put her in without angling it. Yeah. Now, and you know what's funny too about this, guys? Like, this is just to show you guys how it would be if this was the only car we had. We still use her RDX for every single thing, even just going to the store and back. mainly because of space and comfort. With this, I just wanted to show you guys that you can do it. It's just more inconvenient, if that makes sense. Like I said earlier, what's really helping us is the fact that I don't have a normal size stroller. You know what I mean? And this whole time, you said she's fine, right?
Yeah.
She's fine back there. It's only getting in and out, which is the struggle, only because, yes, the door opens up more than enough to get in and out. It's the fact that the seat doesn't go any more forward. Does that make sense? That's why when you put her in, you have to kind of angle her up, and then she sits down good. Other than that, she does not cry in my car, even with the exhaust and everything. Which is nice. She falls asleep, yeah. Because of the vibration, the drone or whatever. But either way, like, I want to say before Leo was born, we were even looking at like, dang, should I even look into selling the car? Should I look into getting another car, getting a sedan, whatnot? And like, we were going to look into it if the stroller didn't work, or else when Myra goes back to work, how would I be able to go around with baby girl, you know what I mean? So because I know that the stroller works and she's fine back there, we're chilling. So I'm not really worried about anything right now. The only reason why a sedan would make more sense is because when you open the door, it's just right then and there. You know, it's in all reality, like, how much room do you have back there?
I have plenty. I have so much room.
It's just getting in and out.
Yeah.
But once you're in, you're comfortable, like you're chill. Well, I mean, even if we go like on a long trip, we're not taking this car. We're taking the RDX. It's just more comfortable that way. Unless Leia approves of it. The only thing that I'm worried about is when she grows out of that stroller or car seat and we need to get something else, then we'll have to figure that out. But we'll figure it out when we get to it. Now, real quick, guys, before I end the video, I just want to let you guys know, remember that this was just to show you how it would be if we did everything in the coupe. We don't do everything in the coupe. We do everything in the RDX. The reason why I got this stroller was mainly because when Myra goes back to work, I need something to be able to take Leia back and forth to my mom's house if I need to go to the store real quick, if I need to, if I need to do some dad errands or whatnot. And with this, I know I'm able to do it. If anything, at most, Leia will be in the car for about 30 minutes, if not less. Does that make sense? We never use my car for errands. We always use the RDX. Now, just a quick sneak peek. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and switch up the intake on the car. And possibly even get a retune on the dyno. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and hope it was entertaining for you guys. I'll see you guys in another one. You guys have a good day. Peace.